Texting, it's become this regular function in everyone's day. A new study found that 30% of Americans, they'd rather text than actually talk to people. So we hit the streets to find out what you all had to say.
Definitely talking. I'm not a technology person.
I'd rather text and then talk in person. I'll use the text to get the person to meet me in person to talk.
I think it's so much better to talk. My friends get mad at me though because I'm always calling them.
I prefer texting. It's way less time consuming.
And I think texting is very impersonal, and I think I'm actually really concerned having 3 kids on what it's going to do for the future of our kids.
I'm a doctor, so I prefer to talk to my patients.
Oh, listen to him.
Nice doctor.
It probably wouldn't be very good bedside manner. Text the patient. FYI, you just had a heart attack. So text or talk. We live in a text-driven society, especially the younger generation.
Yeah.
I still love to
Here's
talk.
the problem. We like to think with our technology that we're keeping in touch, but we're really not touching anything tender. In other words, we're not really connecting. When we're face to face, right now, there's a lot of information our brains are taking in about each other. It's visual, it's vocal, you're hearing, you're smelling me from that far away. You're watching my body language, you're getting a lot of what.
So now we're having a really close
Now we're having a really
conversation.
close conversation. But as soon as you take away one of those things and even move to telephone, it gets a little more distant. As soon as you text, it gets even further away. It's not intimate.
If you want that kind of conversation, you should call. But if it's like, okay, the meeting's at 7:30, is that good?
Easier. Or like with the kids today, though. I mean, because I agree with what you're saying. Because like I only text with my son because he really does not answer the phone. It's too much of a hassle for him to do voicemail. So you can't even leave him a message. So he doesn't do voicemail, and so the only way you can get to him is texting. So I texted him happy birthday this morning.
Oh!
Yes, he turned 21.
How old? 21? It's legal drinking age. There's also a gender divide, too. Men prefer to text, women prefer to talk, because we're the more verbal of the genders.
I agree.
Yeah.
Before we finalize this subject, I think we could all argue that there are some places where texting is very efficient. It's the way to go. But aged 18 to 24, cell owners average 110 messages a day. That's 3,200 a month. That's too many.
It's way too many.
So let's cut back a little on the texting. Don't forget to occasionally call up your mom. Tell her you love her.
That's right.
Daniel.
That's right.
You make her day.
Tell him he doesn't get his present until he calls back.
I know. He knows
that.
to call me.
Something I just thought of, and I mean, certain places you can't talk on a phone. So your only option is to text. You have no choice.
Unfortunately, a few of those places.
And Dr. Lisa, look into your camera. Tell Daniel happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, my baby. 21. Yay.
21, good
And Daniel, kegs at Dr. Orton's house later tonight. We'll see you there.
Come on up.